In Domus Cad you can perform animations in a really simple and fast way. This movie shows how to do. To start, I insert a path to follow by tracing a rounded polygon. After some corrections to the path, I selected and execute the command follow path from the menu view. In the dialog that opens, I introduce the travel speed to the second and the height of the point of view. After confirming, the animation starts. The point of view follows the path traced before, with the indicated speed. At the end of the path, the animation stops. In addition to the way of following a path indicated by a polygon, the animation can also take place by rotating around the observed point. On this case, you need to place the center of rotation, without selecting anything, and run the command follow path again. After confirmation begins the rotation of 360 degrees around the center.